15 English idioms you must know to sound natural. When learning English, idioms are what truly make your speech sound fluent and natural. These expressions don't always mean exactly what the words say, but they are used every day by native speakers. Let's go through 15 useful idioms, each with a clear meaning and example. 1. Break the ice. This means to start a conversation in a situation where people feel shy or uncomfortable. For example, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. 2. Hit the nail on the head. This idiom means to describe something exactly right or be completely correct. For example, you hit the nail on the head with your explanation. 3. Under the weather. When someone feels sick or unwell, we say they are under the weather. For example, I'm feeling under the weather today, so I'll stay home. 4. Piece of cake. This means something is very easy to do. For example, that exam was a piece of cake. 5. Once in a blue moon. This describes something that happens very rarely. For example, I only eat fast food once in a blue moon. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret, usually by accident. For example, she spilled the beans about the surprise party. 7. Let the cat out of the bag. Very similar to spill the beans, it means to reveal a secret. For example, he let the cat out of the bag too early. 8. Bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. For example, I had to bite the bullet and tell the truth. 9. Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late working or studying. For example, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project. 10. Cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. For example, that car costs an arm and a leg. 11. The ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to make a decision or take action. For example, I've done my part, now the ball is in your court. 12. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. To achieve 2 things with 1 action. For example, I walk to work to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, exercise and save money. 13. Pull someone's leg. This means to joke with someone or trick them in a friendly way. For example, relax, I'm just pulling your leg. 14. Hit the sack. To go to bed or go to sleep. For example, I'm tired, I'm going to hit the sack. 15. Keep an eye on. To watch something or someone carefully. For example, can you keep an eye on my bag? These idioms will help you sound more natural and confident in everyday English. Try to use them in your daily conversations, and over time, they will become part of your vocabulary.